Have you ever wondered where the first spark of a book comes from? What is the genesis of a narrative that keeps readers turning page after page, unable to put the book down? This, dear listener, is a question that has intrigued many, and today we're going to explore it. Imagine a playground, a place where ideas can frolic freely without judgment. This is what brainstorming is, a haven for your thoughts, a sanctuary for your creativity. In our Write Publish workshops, we vouch for brainstorming as a potent tool in unearthing the seeds of your story. Consider mind mapping as an example. It's like an ever-growing tree, with roots deep in your central concept, and branches reaching out into themes, characters, settings, and plots. It organizes your thoughts visually, giving you a bird's-eye view of your narrative's potential. Then there's free writing, a liberating exercise where you set a timer and write without pause, without judgment. It's not about grammar or coherence, but about unearthing hidden gems from the depths of your subconscious. The snowball method, on the other hand, is all about starting small and building up. It's about letting a single idea grow, layer by layer, gaining complexity and depth until it becomes a narrative. Consider question storming, where you list questions instead of ideas. Posing what-if scenarios can open doors to narratives you may not have initially considered. The six hats technique is another interesting approach. It's about wearing different hats and examining your idea from multiple perspectives: logic, emotion, caution, optimism, creativity, and management. This ensures a comprehensive exploration of your idea. Then there's role storming, stepping into another's shoes, be it a character or another author, and brainstorming from their perspective. It allows you to see ideas from angles you might not have considered. The scamper technique is another exciting method. It prompts you to substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to other uses, eliminate, and rearrange your ideas, helping them evolve beyond their original form. Lastly, there's the power of collaboration. In our workshops, sharing ideas and listening to others often leads to a fusion of creativity, giving birth to ideas that might never have come to life in isolation. Each of these methods is a key to unlock your creative potential, to find the idea that resonates with you the most. After all, every successful book begins with an idea that the author believed should be shared with the world. So, gear up for your next brainstorming session. It could be the beginning of your bestseller.